In our last video, we used a few if-else blocks to determine the outcome of our game if both the player and agent chose the same block, or if the player chooses stone and the agent chooses something different. In this video, let's complete our reveal result function by generating the code for the remaining possible outcomes. We are going to be using more if-else blocks, so let's be sure to be careful and double check our logic as we go. The next consideration we might make is that the player chooses magma, so we can press the plus button to add another else-if section. The condition for this part of our code will be that the player block is equal to magma. Let's duplicate the player block equals condition from above, add it below, and change the value from stone to magma. Again, we'll need to consider which of the two remaining possibilities the agent picked. To do this quickly, we can right-click on the previous if-else block and click Duplicate to get a copy of the if-else block and the blocks inside it. We can place this copy in the player block equals magma section and change what the agent picked to follow our game rules. For the agent to win, the agent block must be ice, so it cools the player's magma. Let's change the agent block value to ice. Otherwise, the agent had stone, which loses to the player's magma. For the final else, we know that the player must have chosen ice because we've already checked whether the player chose stone or magma. Ice is the only possible option left. We can again duplicate the nested if-else block from above, place it in the else part of our block, and update it so that the results agree with the rules of the game. If the agent block is stone, the agent wins because it crushes the player's ice. Otherwise, the agent had magma, which gets cooled by the player's ice. With our function for revealing the results now complete, we can finally test our full game. Let's be sure to add our call reveal result block to our chat command. Where in the code should we put it? We can't reveal the result before the player and agent make their choices, and resetting should be the last thing we do. So we can call reveal result between agent choose and reset. As noted earlier, there are 9 different potential combinations, so we'll need to do quite a bit of testing to make sure everything works correctly. Give it a try. Challenge your agent to the game and consider what you can do to temporarily control the agent selection process to make testing easier. Good luck and have fun!